Attention crane owners, crane users, and crane operators. Cranes may come in many types and configurations, but the role of assembly and disassembly directors remains the same. This OSHA required position has distinct responsibilities. Do you know what they are? Gene Kerker, Vice President of Safety and Technical Services at Barnhart Crane and Rigging, has the latest information on this important topic. Learn why your AD should take a proactive approach to assessing and mitigating the risks associated with each task in Risk-Based Planning, focusing on crane assembly and disassembly.